Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Working on the bones right now. The dang lights came in for it. These are some 4-inch LEDs. So what you do is, I'm probably not going to leave these light covers in here because they can get broke, and they're going to block the light. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them completely with the pens so I can save them. These are very hard to find for the bones. And inside this hood's dirty from all that oil that was blowing off the old brakes. That motor was not happy. It was tired, and it just wanted to not work no more. But see, do something like that. And trying to make it look the best I possibly can. Just a bunch of cardboard to go ahead and throw away. When I run this tractor, if I gotta do an emergency repair and go get a ATV or a go-kart or something during the night, I'm gonna want to have, I want to be able to see. Okay, with those bent, just like that, gonna have to do some more bending, but go ahead and put the other one in. Always pack all types of crap in there. I mean, $20 in packaging, come on now. It's just sheet metal. I mean, it's not rocket science. Okay, they're almost done, but we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. There you go, right there. Don't that look mean? So, 4-inch circle lights is what you need for the bones. I believe 4-inch would work on a lot of the bigger tube frames, and all the other bowling lawn tractors of this era, size, model type situation. So I think that looks very good. And I just need to do something to hold them in there, really. I thought I had to build a bracket, but I ain't gonna have to build a bracket. I'm gonna try to find my dang dent hammer that I have in here. But oh, here it is. I found it. I mean, okay, that's probably the best I'm gonna get on that. But while I got you guys in here, we'll now strip these back and see how bright these damn things are. I was afraid they weren't going to be right, but they are just right. Of course, that battery's dead. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn it around for you guys. So there's that one right there. Very nice. Very nice. Off, on, off, on. So those will be very nice. I'll go ahead and finish up this other one. And this video is just so people that have the ballons knows what they can use. You like these little light brackets aren't the best welded in there. I ain't gonna lie about that. But you just gotta be somewhat careful with them, you know. Gotta be a little bit careful. I like to this one's pretty good, but this one's still somewhat pretty loose. That's why I like opening these top ones more. So you can get to the top ones good, but you can't get to the bottom ones that well. I am going to probably have to definitely build a somewhat of a bracket or anchor to, I mean that one's in there, but this one. And this is the problem with forcing stuff. Don't necessarily belong in here. Okay. They are both in there. Nice and solid. Looks real original. Doesn't even look like there's LEDs in there. Can be very nice. See, if I put these covers on, it'd look more like something like that. That looks stupid, kinda. It just creates more a deflector on the lights, so I like that. It looks very nice. Originally there wasn't lights in this, so now there is, so that'll be very nice. And I have a spot up on the dash where I'll put a taco switch. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. So I want to thank everyone for stopping by again. Please hit that subscribe, like, comment, share button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. This is N.R.T. and we're working on the bones, as you can see. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.